Hi, are you a financial advisor, a CFP, a CPA, or an insurance agent who needs credits? Or are you just a professional who loves to learn more? I'm Jeff Bellomo with Bellomo and Associates, and I would like to personally invite you to our upcoming professional bootcamp on April 12th. It will be for 6 free credits, CFP, CPA, insurance. We will start at 8 a.m. and we will end somewhere around 3:30 in the afternoon. We'll have a lot of fun. We're going to talk about the Secure Act and how that impacts our clients and trends that we're seeing and how we can plan for them. We're also going to unveil a brand new process at Bellomo and Associates, how we're able to help our clients at a much discounted rate, about 50 to 58% of our old costs. So we're really excited. Even if you've attended before, this boot camp is for you. Please sign up for the free boot camp on April 12th. www.bellomoassociates.com or give us a call, 717-845-5390. Really excited to see you at the boot camp. Can't wait. Take care.